So the boardwalk area appears to be under construction. We'll give you guys a little peek. Boardwalk barbecue is just completely gone. I suppose we'll just sneak a peek through that hole. And this is almost the same view, but just a little bit of a different angle. We'll go for these doubles here. And if you don't know what boardwalk barbecue used to look like, I'll show you guys a picture right now. You know, it's just a lot of digging up right now, nothing really too special. Now we're only left to assume that because Wipeout sign is missing from here, that it's not coming back.
Knottsberry.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. I guess we're gonna go on Boomerang. Looks like Boomerang just received all new wheels. So these here are all brand new, and the guide wheels are all brand new. Maybe proof for a smoother ride this time for us, huh? All right, here we go. View from the top. I'm not the biggest fan of this ride. So y'all are lucky to be seeing this. So you can see over here is where Boardwalk Barbecue used to be. Wipeout was right there, and we can tell, I'm not sure, but it doesn't seem like it's coming back anytime soon because they're filling in the pit where the mechanics used to be here. And over here in the line, there's no more sign. But this is pretty much the top. Couldn't hurt to get a view from the top of the Coast Rider as well.
Here we go.
Well, this has been a Knottsberry Tales construction update. We'll hopefully having more information for you guys soon.